Hello, Meena ma'am. How are you?
गुड इवनिंग पूजा।
How are you, ma'am?
दूसरे वाले उससे कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, वो बार बार रजिस्टर करने के लिए बोल रहा है। मैंने रजिस्टर तो कर दिया है
हाँ,
दूसरे गैजेट से।
हो जाना चाहिए मैम। फिर तो मैम दूसरे गैजेट में भी ये ऑफिशियल मेल आईडी डाल के लॉगिन कर लो ना, फिर आपको
हाँ
रजिस्ट्रेशन
जी,
रजिस्ट्रेशन ये वाली मेल आईडी डाल के लॉगिन कर लो ना, फिर रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं मांगेगा।
एक मिनट, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोल रहे हो आप, वापस से
जो
बोलना
आप
प्लीज।
दूसरे डिवाइस से लॉगिन कर लो। एक मिनट।
ग्रेट, ओके, आई नो कबीर, others I'm meeting you for the very first time. Is my voice clear and audible to you all? Clearly audible? You can show me a thumbs up if I'm clearly audible. So children, I have been with Olympiad Success for a long time now, and in this teaching profession I've been more than double your age, which you have been writing in the chat. Like some of you have written 26 years, 24 years. So I am in this profession for more than that, right? Just because I like teaching. But my only thing for you here is that this has to be a mutual thing, because every day we learn. So something you learn from me, something I learn from you. Are you ready to teach me? Are you ready? Because there's something you all know better than me. There's something, definitely. Right? And I can tell you one thing, that when it comes to computers, I have a tight hand. I don't know. So, children, you are going to teach me and I'm going to teach you. And together we'll learn and enjoy. Right? Okay, over to you, Pooja ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Meena ma'am. Okay, let me share few links with you all.
Ma'am, there's
As you
some
can see, am I audible, ma'am? Okay, so as everybody can see in the chat box, there are few links which I have pasted just now. Okay, so first link is a syllabus link. You can just check your syllabus by clicking on this link. You can copy pasted these links in your device. So payment you can make up by clicking on this particular link. If you want to share feedback, you can just click on this link and just give your feedback. We'll be happy to hear that. For all batch details, you have to just click on this particular link. In case you have any further query, you can email us always on support@olympiadsuccess.com, or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these particular numbers. Okay. So in case you find a network glitch or you'll not be able to connect with us over Zoom, so you can join us on a face as we are live on Facebook. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's see the PPT now, wherein you'll get information about your course. Hope my screen is visible to everybody. Okay, so as you know that we all are attending demo of mathematics grade 8, right? So about Olympiad Success, we have India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination, wherein we provide 8 courses for School Plus program that includes mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and writing, which includes one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, IB classes for grade 2 to 12. One-on-one preparation platform for International Mathematics Olympiads includes SASMO, CEAMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core, Math Competition, Maths Kangaroo, PRM. As you can see, these all are rank holders for year 21-22. They are kids like you only. So soon your picture will also be going to come. So for that, you have to work hard, right? So every day, spare 2 hours for the preparation. Okay. So about this course, there'll be group sessions with around 20 students in one batch delivered through Zoom by our seasoned tutors. Okay, so 3 sessions will be there per week. That will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Timings will be 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. The session includes a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and discussions on previous year papers. Students will get reading material and practice questions, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. Soon for that, I'll be going to give you a tour. Students will get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice topic-wise mock test for both maths and reasoning too, as logical reasoning constitutes 10 to 15% of the questions. The objective of these sessions is to provide introduction to entire curriculum and give sufficient headway to the student compared to their peers. So in the demo, you'll get to know about your mentor, that how your classes will be going to move forward. Just okay. So these are the few links wherein you can check your syllabus on this particular link. Already all links have been pasted in the chat box. No need to worry. We'll again be pasted in the chat box for you. So syllabus can be checked on this particular link. Fees for this course is 12,264 rupees for 55 sessions. So payment can be made on this particular link. The fees includes online classes, daily reading notes, exercises, practice of previous year papers, access to Olympiad success platform for mathematics plus logical reasoning. So what all you need for these classes will be a laptop or desktop with good internet connection and with good camera for the visual clarity plus good headphones for the better audio clarity. Okay. So every day you have to spare 2 hours extra from your main studies, right? Because as you know, Olympiad examinations are a little tougher than the school curriculum examination. So prepare every day 2 hours extra, and your picture will also come in the top rankers. So these classes will be going to regular classes are going to continue from Tuesday, 9th of April. So that was all about your course. So let me give you the tour of dashboard where you'll have access of your reading material and all these things. Hope my screen is visible to everybody again. So what you have to do is you have to just enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com. In this, you'll get this page on your screen. Then you have to just enter your correct user details. If you have already enrolled with us, you'll get your user detail from us. If not yet, go and enroll, and then you'll get your user details for your reading material to access all the material. So after this, entering your user details, you have to just sign in. After signing in, you'll get the profile details on your screen, wherein you have to just check your details. All these details are correct. If there is any error in the detail, you have to just rectify it, and you can click on update button for the correction. Okay? So after that, you have to just move on live classes, which is right under this my referral icon. Clicking on live classes, you have to select your specific subject, for which specific subject you want to see the material. I want to see for mathematics. I'll click on mathematics. Then again, you have to select your topic also, for which specific topic you want to see the material. So after selecting the topic, you'll get the reading to your question papers and answer keys on the screen. Okay. So here is a schedule. Schedule will give you the clarity. In this session, we're going to cover this specific topic. So better you should see that schedule on a regular basis. Okay. So you can download this PDF and you can keep it safe in your device also. What all you have to do is you have to just click it over here, click here to download. So you can see in section 1, we'll cover rational numbers, section 2 for particular topic related to that. So each and every session is having a different set of topic when you'll get the clear clarity. So you can, each and every PDF is downloadable. What you have to do is you have to just click over here to download the PDF. So after this, you have to just click on holiday calendar. Holiday calendar is a clarity for you that you should not take unnecessary leaves because already classes thrice a week. And there are festival holidays also. So here is a reading material. You can just click it over here and you can see the material. See, there is a lot of stuff for you for the preparation. Okay. So each and every PDF is downloadable, as I already told you. Each PDF is having an icon. Click here to download the PDF and you can just download it and you can save it in your device for the offline reading. You can just read it, or you can take out the printouts to just read it. Okay. So goes for set 3. Goes for set. So I'm moving on question papers and answer keys. Here is a question paper. I advise you to just download this paper, take out the printout, solve it, and then check your answer keys. Don't check your answer keys parallelly. So this is the question paper. Right next to this question paper, there is an answer. Check your answer keys when you have solved your question paper on a printed sheet. Okay? Because that will give you the proper practice. Otherwise, if you keep your answer keys parallelly, that will not be give you the actual practice. You'll keep on becoming curious to just check your answers parallelly. So you can see there are so many question papers for your practice. So ample of practice is there for you each and every subject. And that will polish your skills. Okay, so here is a set 3. Answer please. Question paper. Answer keys. So each question paper is having an answer. Okay. See. Answer keys. Vedic, I'll just take your query later on. Let me just complete with it. Okay. So in live classes, you'll get a practice question papers and answer keys, reading material, schedule, holiday calendar. Okay. What all you have to do is you have to just click it over here and you have to select your subject and your topic. After this, I'm showing you the worksheet. Excuse me. When you will get your practice then. In worksheet also, again, you have to select your subject. Then only you'll get your worksheets. Okay, after clicking over here, you'll get your worksheets on your screen. You have to just click on take exam. After clicking on take exam, you'll get the instructions on your screen when you have to read each and every instruction carefully and then that you should not commit any mistake while attempting your worksheet. So then you have to just click on start worksheet. So after clicking on start worksheet, you can see there are so many questions in that worksheet. 50 questions, right? So you have to just attempt your question carefully and then you have to move on next question. For that, you have to just click on next button. So each and every question you have to attempt and then keep on moving on next. Okay, so this way you have to attempt all the questions and then you have to submit your worksheet. Make sure that you should submit your worksheet, otherwise you will not be able to see performance, how you have performed. Okay? So for that, you have to click on finish button, but make sure that you should review each and every question once again beforehand, that in case you find any error, you can just rectify it before submitting your worksheet. So click on finish button for submission. Yes, I have reviewed all the questions and I'm good to go. So you can see your worksheet has submitted and here is a feedback page you want to give, you can give, otherwise you can click on later. So here is a performance button, which is right after this worksheet icon. So you just click on that and you can see your performance. For this, again, you have to select your subject. For which subject you want to see the performance. I have attempted this worksheet just now. I'm going to click on view button. In clicking on view button, you'll get to see your performance. I've attempted 2 questions, wherein one is correct, one is wrong. Okay, so for this, you have to click on review button wherein you will get to know which answer is correct, which is wrong, and why that question is reviewed. You can click on later or you can submit the feedback. Okay, so this was all about dashboard. In live classes, you get an access of reading material, question papers, your schedule, your holiday calendar. In worksheet, you'll get an access of practice worksheets. Okay, in performance, you'll get to know about your worksheet practice, that how you have performed. That was all about dashboard. Let me log out and you should also log out before moving ahead. Each and every PDF is downloadable. You have to just click here to download the PDF and you're good to go. Okay, let me stop sharing this. Now, if anybody is having any queries related to the dashboard tour, drop it in the chat box. I'll be happy to answer your queries. Okay, Han Mishra, I cleared non-routine mathematics without this. Okay, nice, Han. Very nice. Good. Yes, Vedika, drop your query in the chat box, Peter. I request everybody to please turn on your cameras. Otherwise, this class will not be an engaging class. I'm not finding it. That is the rule of our class, that if anybody is sitting, they need to keep the cameras on. See how it becomes comfortable when we see lovely faces, right? If we keep our cameras off, how you people will feel. So make this class more engaging. Keep your cameras on. Show us your lovely faces. Okay, Ashas, my network is not working. Otherwise, okay, Ashas, no problem. Anybody is having any query related to the dashboard? Otherwise, I'm going to ask you questions. Okay, tell me what are the batch timings? Are the tests included in the 55 sessions? Yes, there'll be a test once all chapters will be covered, then your mentor will be going to share a test with you. Hope your query is answered. Vedika?
Can I add here?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Vedika, like you are asking about the tests. After every chapter, we have a test. So the test is given to you. You do it at home, and you will be given a Google form in which you mark the answers, and the result will be given to you as well. In the class, I will take the test. I mean, I will do every question, and wherever you have a doubt, we'll clarify that. I hope your doubt is clear, Vedika. I can't see you because you've not switched on the video.
Vedika, yeah, we cannot see you. Arav also, we cannot see Arav. Nita, Nivriti, I can understand there's some camera problem. Rishwik. Okay, what are the class timings, guys? The given time is not comfortable for me. So is there any alternative? Yes, Rais, you can just join batch 2. Okay. So soon we'll be going to announce batch 2 also. So stay connected with our sport team. I'll share it once again. So you can contact on this number or on this mail ID. Definitely you'll get a revert back soon. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, what are the class timings? At what time you have to sit in front of the camera with your pen paper to attend this class? Tell me fast. Come on, guys, you are in grade 8. Where's the enthusiasm? There is something is missing. I cannot see any enthusiasm in you guys. Where is that? Are you feeling sleepy? Or whether it's super cool, you have to sit in front of the cameras to attend the class? What's that? Okay, tell me, hurry up. What are the class timings? Class timings, Asha says correct. Class timings are 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. Yes, Jyoti, correct. 8 to 9:15 p.m. It's not 9, it's 9:15 p.m. Classes of 75 minutes. Okay. And what are the class days? Tell me fast, hurry up. What are the class days? Hurry up, hurry up. You have not seen the PPT carefully? Yes, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. Correct. Very nice. Class days are Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Wonderful. Very nice. So you all are attentive, right? So we are good to go for the demo, right? Show me the thumbs up on the screen. Hurry up, hurry up. Show me thumbs up on the screen. Then I'll just hand over this demo to your mentor, who will be going to clear your each and every doubt. Oh, very nice. I can see all thumbs up on the screen. All right, ma'am. All over to you, Meena, ma'am. I think they're good to go for the demo.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. So children, are you all ready for the demo now? Okay, so I'll be sharing my whiteboard. Because this is a demo session, I'm just taking a topic at random. And it's only today that you're unable to unmute yourself. Otherwise, in the classes, you can raise your hands and unmute yourself and ask your queries. The only thing is when I am speaking or somebody else is speaking at that particular time, just wait for your turn. That's the only thing, because otherwise voices will overlap and we won't understand anything, just for that reason, right? So today we will just have a small demo on the topic linear equations on one variable. Are you okay with that? Linear equation in one variable, right? So children, linear, what do you mean by linear? You can just write quickly in the chat box. What do you mean by linear? Very good, Vedika. Excellent. Linear means straight line, yes. And one variable. And what is the meaning of equation? When we are talking of equation, what do you understand by equation, children? Very good, Mohammed. Equal, yes. So in an equation, yes, Nivriti, very good. So we have two sides which are balanced, right? When we are talking of equation, something which is balanced, and we mathematically we represent it with a equal sign, right? So linear means a straight line. I'll just explain you a bit. Children, have you seen this graph, and have you seen on a graph paper, have you drawn straight lines? Have you done that? Straight lines. You can show me a thumbs up at least, right? So when we are drawing these lines, it can be anywhere on the graph paper. We have x-axis, we have y-axis, right? So it can be in any direction. Orientation can be anything like this, like this, like this, like this, anywhere. But it is a straight line. So there is an equation. Mathematically, we have an equation for the straight line. It is called linear equation. We will go further into detail for this. But just to make you little more clarity, I just want to tell you something, that if we have a curve like this, instead of a straight line on the graph paper, the equation for that is not linear equation. That is not linear equation. Linear equation graphically is this. And if we write mathematically, I will write something as 3x plus 4 is equal to 7. So children, in grade 7, we have learned about variables, constant, yes or no? What are variables? What? That is all clear to everyone? What are variables? What are constants? I hope that is clear. So we here in this equation, we see one variable, yes or no? We see just one variable, x, right? Because we are dealing with one variable. So here we are seeing one variable. And what is the power of this variable? Power. X to the power 1. Yes. Like we can write x square, x cube, x to the power 4, or anything. When the power of the variable is 1 in the equation, that equation is called a linear equation. Children, please pay attention once again. One variable means, when we are talking of one variable, there is only one unknown, term here, one unknown number, not term, sorry, only one unknown number here, which is x, which is represented by x. Variable means, which you have done already in grade 7, the number whose value can change, will vary from one place to another, right? Here in this equation, x will have some other value. If I have x in some other expression like 3x plus 7 is equal to minus 3. If I have another equation like this, let me just write, please. In this case, x will have another value. So it is a variable. Here value of x is different. Here value of x is different. This you have already done in grade 7. So I'm not going into the detail. Variable means whose value will change. It is not. And what is a constant? Constant are numbers whose value will not change. All are numbers, the natural numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6. The value will remain same. If I write 200, 200 means 200. If Nivrita is writing 200, value will still be 200. If Pragna is writing 200, it will still be 200. If I am writing 200, value will not change. 200 remains 200. So that is a constant. Now, I hope variable, constant is clear. And when we're talking about equation, we just saw that in an equation, we have two sides on the equal sign. And it is being balanced with the equal sign, right? So this side is called our left-hand side, and right side of the equal sign is called the right-hand side. It is balanced. So what is a linear equation in one variable is where there is only one variable and the maximum power of that variable is 1. We cannot have something as 5 y square plus 5 is equal to 25. This is not a linear equation because the power of the variable is not 1. It is more than 1, right? So for linear equation, the condition is clear, children. The power of the variable is always 1 and only 1, not more, not less. We cannot change the power. Any doubt till here? What is linear equation? And we are dealing with one variable, so we are talking. We can have a linear equation in this form also, where we are writing 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. This is also a linear equation because the power of the variable x and y is 1. Both the variables x and y have variable 1. So the equation is linear, but here we are having two variables. Two unknowns are there, x and y. Is it clear, children? The difference between linear equation in one variable and linear equation in two variables, is it clear? Here we are having just one variable, x, and here we are having x and y, two variables. So the title is clear, linear equation in one variable. Can we move further, children? And move to, okay, one more thing before I move. What are expressions? Algebraic expressions, children? Can you please write it? I believe we have done this in grade 7. So if we are talking of algebraic expressions are made up of constants like numbers 2, 3, 5, 10, 12, variables x, y, z, a, b, c, d, whatever, some operations. 4 basic operations we are talking of. Yes, Mohammed, excellent answer. Very good. Thank you so much. It's a combination of constants and variables. I'll just add to it. We can also use basic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division, right? So from this equation, if I write 3x plus 4, there is no equal sign that I've used now. So 3x plus 4 is a mathematical expression. See, expressions we normally use for a smile or a sad face, but we are talking about mathematical expressions, right? Not the facial expressions. So when we are talking of mathematical expressions, we have constants, we have variables, and also basic operations like addition, subtraction, right? So here 3x is considered as one term, and 4 is considered as another term of this mathematical expression. Children, am I clear what is a mathematical expression? Am I clear with that? Now here we can say that 3x, comma, 4. Comma I am saying because these are two different things. 3x and 4, they are called terms. These are two terms of the mathematical expression. So what is a term made up of? Like Mohammed Farooq said, we have constants, we have variables. It's a combination of, it can be alone. We can just have y plus 5. So alone a variable is also a term. Alone a constant is also a term, right? This 4 is a term, 3x is a term, y is also a term. So what is a term is clear, children? Please, can you show me a thumbs up? What is a term? Is that clear? Advik, Pragnay, Nivriti, can you show me a thumbs up if you've understood? Shrinisha, you can show me a thumbs up. Vandika Srey, Kabir, yes, thank you so much, Ravni, Jyoti. Okay. So what is a term is clear. What is a mathematical expression? Yes, Rishik. In an expression, we have terms joined together using addition or subtraction sign. Using addition or subtraction. Terms come together using addition or subtraction sign. And these terms, then they are called mathematical expression. Is it clear, children? Difference between term and mathematical expression, is that clear? Nivriti, Pragnay, Rishik, Advik, Jyoti, Kabir. Okay. Now, when the mathematical expression, we can have two mathematical expressions on the two sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. How? If I am writing something like 3x plus 5 is equal to 4x plus 7. On both the sides, children, we are having two mathematical expressions which are balanced using an equal sign. So it is not necessary that mathematical expressions are only on one side. We can have it on both the sides. We can have it on one side. It can be on right hand side. It can be on left hand side. Not necessary that it will always be on left hand side. Or if I write 8 is equal to 2y plus 2. So 2y plus 2 is also a mathematical expression. 8 is also a mathematical expression. 8 alone is also a mathematical expression. It need not have variable. It need not have any plus sign, minus sign, nothing. One term alone is also a mathematical expression. Children, am I making clear? Am I being clear to you? One constant alone is also a mathematical expression. It's a mathematical term. Clear, children? Now, when we are talking of this chapter, linear equation in one variable, we will learn how to solve these linear equations having one variable. First of all, just a few quick questions asking you to recognize linear equations, right? So, just tell me 1 upon x plus 3 is equal to 5. Is this a linear equation? Is this a linear equation? Children, please write the answer. Okay, Farid? Very good. Okay, Nivriti? So only two people are saying yes. Okay, Advik? Jyoti. Okay. So this is because we are having. Now, here I want to tell you one thing. This is not a linear equation, but we can convert it into a linear equation too. How can we convert it into? Because here, if I write this 1 by x, if I write it like this, I will write x to the power minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here, the power of the variable is not 1. Power of the variable is not 1. Right? We can reduce it. We can make it. We can convert it into a linear equation. That we have to see how we can convert it into a linear equation. Children, we know how to take LCM. If I take the LCM of right hand side, I am taking x. So 1 plus 3x. And on right hand side, we are having 5. Right? Any doubt about this, what I have done? Anyone having doubt what I did? I found the LCM. Anyone having any doubt here? All clear? Now, what I do is, this x, here we are having this x, if I move to the right hand side, what will happen? We are left with, yes, Advik? First step is clear, children? Advik, first step, what I did after the equation 1 upon x plus 3 is equal to 5. I took the LCM beta here. X is the LCM. X and x divided, we get 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Plus, I wrote as it is. Then, this x divided by 1 is x. X into 3 is 3x. Simple. And on right hand side, we have 5. I have not touched that. Only left hand side we have solved. Advik, is that clear, beta? First step, Advik, can you just show me a thumbs up, beta? Okay. Now what I'm trying to tell you is this x I am taking to right hand side. I'm moving to right hand side. Now there are two methods of moving this x to right hand side. First is 1 plus 3x upon x is equal to 5. On both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, we multiply with x. This numerator, I am putting it in the bracket. I am considering this whole as one numerator. One numerator is there. Denominator, we are having x. On right hand side, we are having 5. Any doubt till here, anyone? Anyone having doubt till here? Okay. Now we are having x in the denominator. I am now going to multiply both the sides with x. Because it is a balance. If I'm adding something here, I have to add something on the other side as well. If I'm multiplying something on the left hand side, I have to multiply something on the right hand side as well to keep the balance. Otherwise, the balance will change. So if I'm multiplying x on left hand side, here, I have to multiply x on right hand side as well. Is this point clear, children? Everyone? Clear? Now, if I have multiplied, can I will just give you one example. If you have something like 3 multiplied by 5 divided by 5, can you cancel 5 and 5? We do this. We are doing it in grade 6, 7. Yes or no? Right? Here also, children, this x and x can get cancelled. We reduce it. So what are we left with? We are left with 1 plus 3x is equal to, now this 5 and x are being multiplied. We are left with 5. Sorry. Any doubt in the green step? Second green step? Anyone having any doubt? Till here? Red step, green step, any step, any doubt? What we did, how we got the answer, all clear? Okay. Now, this, we are having everything one variable and the power is 1. So now our equation is linear equation in one variable. Yes or no? We started with this. We reached here. We have reduced this. We have brought this equation to a linear equation in one variable. So those who are saying this is a linear equation, you are correct, because we can reduce this in a linear form. If we cannot, then it is not a linear equation. Children, are you clear with what we did just now? Because Meena ma'am just now said the power of the variable has to be 1 and only 1. How is this a linear equation? When the power of the variable is -1. Is your query answered, children? Anyone having any doubt here, beta? Any doubt? Any small doubt? Even if you think it is a silly doubt. You cannot see the whiteboard. Vedika, see on the right-hand side of, is it that you have zoomed in or zoom out? Just check that, beta. It should be at 100%. And on right-hand side, there is a symbol of map on that. Next to that, there is some cubes zoomed in. So, don't zoom in. Let it be at 100%. Vedika, then you can see better. And the sheet we are using in sheet number 1. On right hand side, you can see there are some squares. In that there is written 1. We are on sheet 1. Vedika, can you see now? Vedika, can you see the sheet now, beta? Yes, Nivriti, we are going to that, beta. We are going to that. Okay. So I hope the definition is clear. What is a linear equation? One variable. Right. Children, I'm moving to sheet number 2. On right hand side, you can see, and you can move to sheet number 2. See, there is a tab like this. There are some sheets, 1, 2 numbered here. So go to sheet number 2. I am on sheet number 2 now. Can you see that, children? Okay. So let's take some examples. Let's start with this very simple one. 3x minus 10 is equal to 14, right? We have to find the value of the variable x here. Now, what do? We try to put constants together, variables together. We are having variable at just one place. This constant I will move with the other constant, right? So what are the rules? When we are moving one number or a variable from one side to the other, there are some rules that we have to. Yes, Kabir, thank you so much. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become division, and division will become multiplication. How? Just here we are having minus 10. When we are moving minus 10 to right hand side, it will become plus 10. 3x will remain 3x. Because we are moving minus 10, here we are already having 14. 14 I am writing as it is. Minus 10 when moves to right hand side, it becomes plus 10. These are constants. We solve them. 14 plus 10 is 24. On right hand side, we are having x. We don't want the value of 3x. We want value of x. This 3 is in multiplication with x. 3x means 3 is being multiplied by x. 3 times x. We don't want 3. We have to remove 3. 3 also moves to the right hand side because here on left hand side, it is in multiplication with x. When it goes to the right hand side, it will be in division. X stays alone here. 24 is here. We divide 24 by 3. Why division? Because 3 is in multiplication on the other side. When it changes side, it will come in division. When 24 is divided by 3, we get 8. So value of x is 8. Children, what we are doing is called transposition. This is called transposition. This method is when we are moving one variable or a constant from one side to the other, either from left to right or right to left, it is called transposition. And the rules we have mentioned here. Any doubt here, children? Till here, anyone having any doubt? All clear? Can you please show me a thumbs up at least? Thank you. We move to another question. Because it's taking too much time in erasing, I'll move to third sheet, children. I'm moving to sheet number 3. I've moved to sheet number 3. So here, I'm having a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeter and width is, let's say, S centimeter, and its perimeter, sorry, area, not perimeter. The area is 96 square centimeter. Children, have you moved to sheet 3? From right hand corner, there are some blocks. Move to sheet 3. Is this screen visible to all of you? Pragnay, Advait, Shrinisha, Jyoti, Shravani, Parikh, Nida. Is the screen visible? Only Vedika has written a thumbs up. Okay, Farid. Arav, is the screen visible? Oh. We have to find. So here, This is a simple thing which you have been doing for so many grades. Only thing I am now arranging it in a linear equation form. What is area? Area is equal to length into breadth for a rectangle, right? So area is given as 96 square centimeter, length is given as 12 centimeter, and breadth is unknown. We have to find breadth. Yes, Vedika, very good. So this 12 has to move to the other side. We want B alone. Because 12 is in multiplication with the breadth, when it goes to the other side, we will use the divisions. So 96 divided by 12 will give us the breadth, the length of the width of that rectangle. Yes, Advik, very good. So what are we having? Breadth is equal to 96 divided by 12, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Unit will be centimeter because length is 12 centimeter, area is 96 square centimeter, and breadth is 8 centimeter. Children, why is the square coming in the unit of area? See, area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Here, this is 12 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter. Now, 12 into 8 we have done. We got 96. Now, centimeter into centimeter will give us centimeter square. In perimeter, we are only adding. When we are talking about perimeter, we are only adding the length. We are not multiplying. So unit will remain same, centimeter only. In this case, if 12, 8, 12, 8, if I go on adding, I'm adding 12 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. We are not multiplying. So power of centimeter is 1 only. So unit of perimeter is centimeter and that of area is square centimeter. I hope it is clear why we are using. If we are finding volume, children, length into breadth into height. Let's say if all these dimensions are given in centimeter, centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. What will be the unit of volume? Cubic centimeter. Yes, Vedika, very good. Because we are multiplying centimeter also 3 times. Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. So the unit of our volume will be cubic unit. If it is meter, it will be cubic meter. If it is kilometer, it will be cubic meter, kilometer, like that. Cubic unit. How many times we are multiplying? That gives us the unit. I hope it is clear to all of you now. Yes, children? Nivriti, this is what you wanted, children? Nivriti? Nivriti, you can show me a thumbs up if this is what you wanted, beta. I don't know if Nivriti is there in the class. Okay, let's take one word problem, which we will solve using linear equation. Okay, we'll move to sheet number 4. Sheet number 4, beta, all of you. Okay. Now, my question is, Renu's age is 4 times that of a younger brother. Is 4 times the age of a younger brother. 4 times the age of a younger brother. Right? 5 years back. 5 years back, her age was 9 times her brother's age. Renu's age was 9 times her brother's age. Find their present ages. You have to find the present ages. Children, is the question clear? Renu's age right now is 4 times her brother's age. Very good, Vedika. Thank you so much, beta. And 5 years back, her age was 9 times her brother's age. So we have to find the present ages of the brother sister, both of them. So let's form the equation. 4 times her. So we are saying we don't know anybody's age. We are saying let brother's age be X. One unknown, we don't know what is brother's age. We are saying let it be X years, right? So what will be Renu's present age? 4 times. So 4 times means 4x. Till here all clear? 5 years back. 5 years back. What was the age? 5 years back. What was brother's age? Brother's age was X minus 5. Am I right? 5 years back. And what was Renu's age 5 years back? Renu's age was, today it is 4x, so it was 4x minus 5. Am I right? Till here, anyone having any doubt? All clear? Today, brother's age is 5 years. 5 years back, it was x minus 5. Today, Renu's age is 4x. 5 years back, it was 4x minus 5. So, what are we supposed to find? Sorry. They are telling us 5 years back, Renu's age was 9 times her brother's age. Okay. 9 times her brother's age. It means this age was 9 times of brother's age. So 4x minus 5 was Renu's age. This was equal to 9 times the brother's age. Brother's age is x minus 5. Is this equation clear to you all, children? Sheet number 4. If those who have not changed the sheet, please change the sheet. We are on sheet number 4. Anyone having doubt about this thing, beta? This equation, please write if you have any doubt. Children, is this equation clear? The purple, which I've written in the purple pen, is that clear? 4x minus 5 is equal to 9 times x minus 5, which is in the bracket. How we got that? 5 years back, Renu's age was 4x minus 5 and brother's age was x minus 5. They are saying Renu's age was 9 times her brother's age. So Renu's age is 9 times. Times means I'm multiplying that into x minus 5. Is this purple equation clear? I need a thumbs up, beta. If anyone is having a doubt, I'm asking you, please raise your hand or write it in the chat box. Purple step. Anyone having doubt, please ask. Any doubt in the purple step? Now we are going to solve it. If no doubt, we are going to solve it further. Four x minus 5 is equal to, I am opening the bracket, children. 9 times x is 9x. Minus sign remains as it is. 9 times 5 is 45. Any doubt till here? I will change the color so that if you have a doubt, you can ask me. I want to put variables together and constants together. Okay. If I am bringing constants here, okay, Shrinisha, how to make equation? See, what did the question say? I am following the words of the question. Earlier they said, present age of Renu is 4 times brother's age. Okay, so we don't know brother's age. We took brother's age as x. Brother's age is x. This is clear, beta Shrinisha? Okay. 4 times brother's age means 4x. This is clear, 4x. Shrinisha? Okay. Now, 5 years back, if you go behind, before, If today you are 12 years, if your age is 12 years, 5 years back, what was your age, beta? You subtract 5 from 12. Yes, you will subtract 5 from 12. Same thing we are doing here. 5 years back, what was brother's age? X minus 5. And what was Renu's age? 4x minus 5. From today's age, we are subtracting 5. Is it clear, beta? Shrinisha? Okay. Now, they have given one more condition for the present thing. They are saying 5 years back, Renu's age was 9 times brother's age. So Renu's age was this 4x minus 5. It was 9 times brother's age. 9 times, what is brother's age? X minus 5. Shrinisha, are you getting better this step? How we form the equation? Okay. Now we are opening the bracket and trying to solve. We opened the bracket on the right hand side. 9 multiplied by x is 9x. 9 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 40. Now we'll put variables together and constants together. So this minus 45 I am bringing on the left hand side. Here we are already having 4x minus 5. 45 when it is coming on left hand side, it will become plus 40. On right hand side, we are left with 9x. Any doubt in this step, brown step? Any doubt here? Clear? Okay. Now, variables we are putting together. So 4x and 9x we want to put together. This 4x I am bringing on the right hand side. Here we are left with minus 5 plus 45 is equal to 9x here. 4x when it is coming on right hand side, it will become minus 4x. Yes, Kabir, very good, beta. Minus 4x. Because on left hand side, it was plus 4x. When it is coming on right hand side, it will become minus 4x. Right? Now we are trying to solve it further. From 45, if you subtract 5, what is left, beta? 40. And from 9x, if you subtract 4x, what is left? 5x. So we are just writing that. Here we are left with 40 and here we are left with 5x. This light blue step, is it clear to everyone how we got 40, how we got 5x? Clear with everyone? So now we want value of x. So we have to remove 5. So this 5 is in multiplication with x. When it goes to the other side, we have 40 divided by 5, which is equal to x. So we are having 40 divided by 5 gives us 8. That is equal to x. So this is brother's age. You remember? We had assumed in the starting. Brother's age is x. So brother's age is 8 years. And what is Renu's present age? 4 times brother's age. So 4 times x is equal to 4 times 8, which is equal to 32 years. So Renu's present age is 32 years and brother's present age is 8 years. Anyone having any doubt here, beta? Anyone who has not understood what we did here? Shrinisha, is it clear, bacha? Shrinisha, is the question clear? Advik, is it clear, beta? Just show me a thumbs up. Pragnay, Nivriti, clear? Show me a thumbs up. Yes, Shrinisha, very good. Jyoti, Shravani, Nida, Farik, Vedika. Anyone having any doubt at any step? Anything that you have not understood? How, ma'am, how did you do this? How we got this? Anyone having any doubt anywhere, please ask. Please don't think about others. If you think, even if it is a silly doubt, please ask, because that is the rule to clear your concepts, beta. That I will really want you to follow. Even if you think it is a silly doubt or a small doubt, please ask. That's the way to move forward, right? Okay, so all of you are saying you have understood this thing. So I hope today's demo class made some sense and you have understood what we did here. Hope you like the class, children, because it is a demo class, we'll not extend it too much. Just a few examples we did just to give you an idea about how my classes move forward. Only today you are unable to unmute, otherwise in normal classes you can unmute. and ask your queries. If you have some other method or some other shorter method, we share it in the class. There is no problem. All the liberty. Only thing is, we don't talk together one at a time. We do it like that. Is it clear, children? Can I see your beautiful faces, children, before I stop sharing this screen? Nivriti, Rishik, Shravani, I can see your beautiful face. Yes, Jyoti, I can see you. Rishik, Farik, Arav, Nida, Kabir, I can see. Vedika, okay, Vedika, yes, you had mentioned that earlier also. Rishik, can you switch on your video, beta? Vedika. Acha, Vedika, sorry. Arav, Nida, Farik. Okay, Vedika. Hi. Yes, Farik, I can see you, beta. Nivriti, your screen says no camera. Arey bhai. I do not have a camera. Acha, ji. Okay. Okay. But for the class, beta, I will need the videos working, camera working. Because I need to see your faces. Otherwise, how will I know whether my child has understood or not understood? You understand? Why I need to see? See, why I am logging in with two gadgets. That's the sole purpose. Because I want to see the faces. Otherwise, I can just see with just one gadget I can do now. But because I want to see the faces, I'm using two gadgets. Because from one, this gadget, I see the faces. And with the other one, I just keep the writing. Only when I'm traveling, I use one gadget. Otherwise, when I'm at my home, I use two gadgets. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood what we did today, all of you. Achha, you want some homework. You come in the class. Once our classes start, we'll have lots of homework. Don't worry. Yes, Vedika? Okay, children. Stay. I'll take your leave and hope to see you all soon in the class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, right? Take care of your health because IMD has given a warning. It's going to be very hot this summer. So please keep yourself hydrated and take care of yourself, right? Okay. Bye-bye. Yes, Kabir, it's very hot. Bye-bye. Take care. I'm in Lagos. Nigeria is very, very hot. Take care, all of you. Children, I hope you liked the class.